Hi everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of the script. You are going to study the new lesson, the new video, the new clip. The topic is talk about ask and answer the activities. Ask and answer the activities. ถามและตอบกิจกรรม ถามและตอบกิจกรรม Now I'm going to read about the activities in picture.On the left hand activities, we also do some sports activities after school. The first sentence we swim, second sentence we run, third sentence we play football, fourth sentence we do long jump. The last sentence we do high jump too. Are you ready? If you are ready, let us go and see the detail and then practice by yourself and make understanding by yourself as much as you can, as much as you understand.Step by step. Let's go. The first question, what is he doing? What is he doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยัง เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยัง You can see from the picture on the left or right hand and both the same pictures. The phrase is they try or they give play tennis. Play tennis. So the answer. Let us see the answer.The answer is he is playing tennis. He is playing tennis. เรากำลังตีเทนนิสอยู่ เรากำลังตีเทนนิสอยู่ Let's move on to the next question. The question is what is she doing? What is she doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ You see the activity, the verb they have given drive, right? Let's see the answer to clear your understanding.She is driving a car. She is driving a car. Right. เรากำลังขับรถคันหนึ่งอยู่ เรากำลังขับรถคันหนึ่งอยู่ Next question. The new question is what is he doing? What is he doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ The phrase they have given ride a bike. Right. Ride a bike. Let's see the answer.He is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. เรากำลังขี่รถถีบอยู่ เรากำลังขี่รถถีบอยู่ See the next question, the new question. What are they doing? What are they doing? The phrases they give go to the movies. Go to the movies. พวกเขากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ พวกเขากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Continue to see the answer.They are going to the movies. They are going to the movies. พวกเขากำลังไปเบิ่งหนังอยู่ พวกเขากำลังไปเบิ่งหนังอยู่ Next, the new question. What is he doing? What is he doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ The verb they have give run. See the answer to make you clear. He is running.He is running. เรากำลังแล่นอยู่ เรากำลังแล่นอยู่ Next question. What is he doing? What is he doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ You can see from the picture the verb they have given shop. See the answer. Continue to see the answer. He is shopping.He is shopping. เรากำลังเลาะซื้อเครื่องอยู่ เรากำลังเลาะซื้อเครื่องอยู่ Continue to the next question. What is he doing? What is he doing? The verb they have given swim. Continue to see the answer. He is swimming. He is swimming. เรากำลังลอยน้ำอยู่ เรากำลังลอยน้ำอยู่ Carry on the next question. What is she doing? What is she doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ The verb they have to give read. Carry on to see the answer. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. เรากำลังอ่านปื้มหัวหนึ่งอยู่ เรากำลังอ่านปื้มหัวหนึ่งอยู่ Continue to see the next question. What is she doing? What is she doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ The verb they have given is study. Study, not study. We link the sound consonant S and T together. Study, like this. Carry on to see the answer. She is studying. She is studying. เรากำลังเรียนหนังสืออยู่เรากำลังเรียนหนังสืออยู่ Next question. What is she doing? What is she doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ The phrase is they have give take a walk. Take a walk. Move on to see the answer. She is taking a walk. She is taking a walk. เราแม่นกำลังย่างลีนอยู่เราแม่นกำลังย่างลีนอยู่ Next question. What is they doing? What is they doing? พวกเขากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่พวกเขากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Now the verb they have given dance. Dance or dance, the same. You can read to or pronoun to South American or British South. Okay, it's up to you. Continue to see the answer. They are dancing. They are dancing. They are dancing or dancing. That I have told you that before. พวกเขากำลังเต้นอยู่พวกเขากำลังเต้นอยู่ Next question. What is he doing? What is he doing? เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่เรากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ The phrases they have given on the picture. Watch television. Watch television. Move on to see the answer to clear your understanding. He is watching television. He is watching television. เรากำลังเบิ่งโทรทัศน์อยู่เรากำลังเบิ่งโทรทัศน์อยู่ Now this video, this lesson, this clips break here. See you the next clip, the next video, the next lessons. Million thanks for all of you have followed, subscribed on my videos on YouTube, face page, Messenger, especially for the WhatsApp that I have a copy. The link from YouTube video and send to you to encourage me create the new lesson, create the new video, make the new lesson plan for you. Thank you again.